In this exercise, we are going to solve a factorial and a subfactorial to find the solution of this problem. 2 to power 2 factorial minus 2 to power 2 subfactorial equals to what? To solve this problem, first we have to find the value of this factorial and this subfactorial. So as we know that n factorial is equals to n multiply n minus 1 multiply n minus 2 dash 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 up to 1. Therefore, 2 factorial is equals to 2 multiply 1 equals to 2. Similarly, subfactorial of n is equals to n factorial multiply summation of k equals to 0 to n minus 1 to power k divided by k factorial. Therefore, subfactorial of 2 equals to 2 factorial multiply summation of k equals to 0 to 2 minus 1 to power k divided by k factorial. So by simplifying this, we get subfactorial of 2 equals to 2 factorial multiply bracket for k equals to 0, this is minus 1 to power 0 divided by 0 factorial plus for k equals to 1, this is minus 1 to power 1 divided by 1 factorial plus for k equals to 2, this is going to be minus 1 to power 2 divided by 2 factorial, bracket close. So this is equals to 2 factorial multiply bracket minus 1 to power 0 is 1 and 0 factorial is 1. 1 divided by 1 is 1. And here minus 1 to power 1 is minus 1 divided by 1 factorial, that is also 1. So this is going to be minus 1 plus minus 1 to power 2 is 1 divided by 2 factorial is 2. So this is by 2. So this one cancels. So here we get 2 factorial multiply 1 by 2. 2 factorial is also equals to 2. So 2 cancels 2. So this is equals to 1. Now our main equation simplifies to 2 to power 2 factorial is 2 minus 2 to power subfactorial of 2. Subfactorial of 2 is 1. So this is 2 to power 2 is 4 minus 2 to power 1 is 2 is equals to 4 minus 2 is 2. So for this problem, our answer is 2. So 2 to power 2 factorial minus 2 to power subfactorial of 2 is equals to going to be 2, which is also equals to 2 factorial.